Hello, friends. Welcome to my modern education and lifestyle channel. Hello, friends. I have prepared specially for you daily useful sentences, Hindi वाक्य, English वाक्य, learn English speaking practice, listen and repeat. Hello, friends. If you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my channel. Hello friends, see the sentences. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था. Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. आपको हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है. We regret for the inconvenience caused to you. We regret for the inconvenience caused to you. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है. He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. फालतू बात मत करो. Do not talk nonsense. Do not talk nonsense. वह एक लड़का है. That is a boy. That is a boy. वहाँ क्या है? What is there? What is there? मेरे पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. Nobody can replace my father. Nobody can replace my father. वह 8 बजे उठता है. He wakes up at 8 o'clock. He wakes up at 8 o'clock. बाल बना लो. Comb the hair. Comb the hair. इस परेशानी का हल निकालो. Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem. अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? काम से जी मत चुराओ. Don't shirk the work. Don't shirk the work. बेड पर खाना मत गिराओ. Don't spill the food on the bed. Don't spill the food on the bed. मम्मी के पास पैसे नहीं है. Mom doesn't have money. Mom doesn't have money. मैंने कंप्यूटर में ये फोटो देखी. I saw this photograph in computer. I saw this photograph in computer. राम कब तक इस जगह में था? Until when was Ram here in this place? Until when was Ram here in this place? मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. जब कभी मैं परेशान था तुम मेरे साथ थे. Whenever I was in trouble, you are there with me. Whenever I was in trouble, you were there with me. उस टेबल पर क्या है? What is there on that table? What is there on that table? वो अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा. He will study in America. He will study in America. तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? What is your father? What is your father? मैं जानता हूँ आप मुझसे नाराज़ हो. I know you are not happy with me. I know you are not happy with me. मैं राम की वजह से यहाँ हूँ. I am here because of Ram. I am here because of Ram. श्याम के दो भाई हैं. Shyam has two brothers. Shyam has two brothers. हमने एक किताब में पढ़ा है. We have read it in the book. We have read it in the book. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. I did it for you. अपने दोस्तों से बात करो. Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends. वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा. He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. ठीक होने के बाद आइसक्रीम खा लेना. Take ice cream after you get well. Take ice cream after you get well. वो तुम्हें धोखा देने की सोचता है. He intends to cheat you. He intends to cheat you. दिल पे मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. तुम कब तक ऑफिस में थे? Until when were you there in office? Until when were you there in office? जाकर सो जाओ. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. सीधे खड़े रहो. झुको नहीं. Stand upright. Don't bend. Stand upright. Don't bend. भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. हम तुम्हारे हैं. We are yours. We are yours. धूप से सेक लो. Bask in the sun. Bask in the sun. माफ़ कीजिए, मैं समय पर नहीं आ सका. I'm sorry, I got late. I'm sorry, I got late. कृपया दरवाजे की कुंडी लगा दो. Kindly bolt the door. Kindly bolt the door. क्या क्लास में कोई नहीं है? Isn't there anyone in class? Isn't there anyone in class? ये टूटा हुआ दिल मेरा है. This broken heart is mine. This broken heart is mine. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? ऐसा कोई देश नहीं है जहाँ सिर्फ जानवर रहते हो. There is no such a country where there are only animals. There is no such a country where there are only animals. नेहा 2 दिन से कह रही है. Neha has been saying for 2 days. Neha has been saying for 2 days. जूते उतार लो. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. आपका टीवी बंद है. Your TV is off. Your TV is off. तुमने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? टेबल पर पेन था. There was a pen on the table. There was a pen on the table. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my modern education and lifestyle channel for the next English speaking video. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.